What's going on, guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video and welcome to the channel. If this is the first time here, how you going? My name is Jamie. It's great to connect with you. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, how to get started online and high ticket affiliate marketing, specifically concentrating on conversions, then please feel free to subscribe, smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. So anyway, what am I talking about today is basically, there's three cardinal sins that I see a lot of salespeople making, and when it comes to especially high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, these are things that are relatively easy to identify, and I'm not going to say necessarily always easy to correct, but anyway, let's cover that. So number one is neediness. If you are projecting anything other than a place of comfort, on a place of strength, and as a place of, disconnect, as in disconnecting from the actual outcome, then you're in a place of neediness. And what happens when you are needy, you actually repel your own prospects. They can smell it a mile away. They go, I don't like sales, I don't like salespeople, no thanks, I'm not interested in that, even if they know that the solution you can provide them is going to massively help them out. But people won't want to go down that path if you're desperate for the sale. If you're desperate for them to perform an action or do the thing, they will run a mile. It's human nature. We like, what's going on? It's a trust factor, right? Number two is not active with listening. If you're not actively listening and just waiting for your turn to speak, guess what happens? You're not actually asking the right questions. You're not trying to diagnose whether you can help that person out. Because that's all that sales is. It's trying to work out whether the thing that you've got is going to be the right fit for them. Now, of course, all salespeople, they want that to come together. And actually brings me to my third point, which is it's not about you. That's the thing, it's not about you. Of course, we all want the sale, we want the commission, we want the recognition of making the sales, we want the leaderboards, all that sort of stuff. But at the end of the day, the thing that you can help people with is the product or service or offering, whatever it is, and them, right? And of course, you're the facilitator between that process. But here's the thing, if you are concentrating on hopefully I'm going to make a sale today, I'm going to get some commission going, I'm going to get that leaderboard, then you're making it about you and what you want. And at the end of the day, like I say, it is about what they want and what they need. And if you can get that information out of them, and you can see that there's a clear solution there based on that product or service or offering, whatever, then it's just a matter of putting those two together. So it means that you can disconnect yourself from that process a lot easier. Anyway, super short video today. Hopefully that helps you guys out, and feel free to drop a comment below if you've got any other tips that you'd like to share in regards to affiliate marketing, specifically in regards to the sales process. Anyway, my name is Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you'd like to learn how you can scale from $0 to $10,000 per month or more using nothing but your Facebook profile, check out the free case study below, and feel free to lock in a time to chat if you're interested in ramping up your results. Anyway, my name is Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in.